Hi there guys and girls, good day to each every one of you. I'm here now in LTO, but before they proceed to have this wagon, my ever-loving Britney Cheryl, to be registered, first they have to make some emission testing. That includes smoke test. Ano nga po madam ang include sa emission, smoke test? Tapos ano pa po? Ayun lang. Yung tapos i-check pa ba yung hindi na kayo mag-check ng ano no, yung engine. Oo. Oo, ay wala pa. Ay hindi na, meron na. Kayo na po mag-ano nun?
Ang gagawin ko na lang po yung TPL na insurance tapos sa registration na po sa likod.
Okay. TPL insurance guys and registration. Ayun. And then they ask for a Xerox copy for my ORCR. So according to her, the smoke testing is 500 pesos. Let me see if I'm gonna ask a discount. But for now, wasn't able to go to vulcanizing shop because it's closed. So I'm gonna look for other shop later on. Bye for now.